Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful high-end looking crystal wall sconce out of $2 store napkin holders. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativity.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store, where you can purchase some of the materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need 2 chrome napkin holders. We will also need some clear gem stickers and 3 packs of silver plastic spoons. For a light source, we will be using a string LED light. Although string lights are available at Dollar Tree, the one I will be using today was purchased from Amazon in bulk and worked out to be about $1 a piece. We will also need a couple of nylon cable ties in white and some Fix-All and hot glue. My hot glue gun is from Amazon. The first step is to attach the 2 napkin holders together back to back by applying some Fix-All and hot glue. To keep them from moving around, we will be using the cable ties to tie them together on either side of the napkin holders. And for added security, you can also use some clamps to clamp the 2 napkin holders together while the glue dries. In the meantime, take the silver plastic spoons and snap the round part off from the arm part. Put the round part aside for a future project, as we will only need the arm part for this project. Taking the arm parts, we will embellish each of them with some clear gem stickers. Once the glue has completely cured, which may take overnight, tighten the cable ties before snipping off the ends. Then the fun part begins. Here we will be adhering the embellished spoon arms vertically onto the napkin holders to cover the opening where the napkins would normally go. For one of the napkin holders, place the spoon arms all in the same vertical direction, leaving a small gap between the skinny end of the spoon arms. That way, you can place the additional spoons on the second napkin holder in the opposite vertical direction. The small gaps will also allow the light to shine through when we place the string lights inside. See how beautiful the wall sconce is looking already. And if you want a larger wall sconce, all you need to do is attach and embellish 3 or 4 napkin holders instead of just 2. The final step is to unwind the string lights and carefully weave them inside behind the spoon arms. Then you can glue the little battery unit directly onto the bottom of one of the napkin holders behind the spoon arms. And there you have it, our wall sconce is completed. Look how brightly the light shines through and the crystal gems make the wall sconce sparkle so beautifully. This will light up any room or corridor. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.